Good day, everyone. I'm Gabriel, Gerrard, Anak, Tagong from Group 22 and will be presenting about our project, which is titled A Demonstration of Service Ordering System. These are the Group 22 members and their respective matrix number. So, to start off, we'll be starting with a problem statement where homeowners face challenges finding reliable, skilled service providers during emergencies, while freelancers struggle to connect with clients and promote their services effectively. This inefficiency stems from reliance on word of mouth, creating delays and missed opportunities. So, to solve this problem, we have proposed a solution to build a platform which lets homeowners to search for skilled workers by requirements, location, and availability. Besides that, it will also use smart algorithms to connect homeowners with professionals in as little as an hour. Apart from that, it also features an AI-powered rating and recommendation system to match clients with their best freelancers based on skills and experience. Lastly, it also includes geo-targeting and push notification to alert workers of nearby job opportunities, boosting visibility and response times. Alright, so in this context level DFD diagram, it shows that about our context level of the service ordering system. So there are three external entities, which is the customer, the worker, and the staff. The customer provides user information and specify the service type they need. The system processes these details and provide feedback. For the workers provide their user information and receive service orders from the system. The system also sends them payment amounts for the completed task. For the staff, the system provides payment information to the staff and manages the commission fee associated with the service transactions. The central processes, labeled 0, represents the service ordering system itself, which acts as the core of all data interactions. For the level 0 DFD diagram, hold on just a sec. This DFD shows that there is from the entity worker and the entity customer, their user information will flow into the registration process. The user data will transfer into the data store, user data, then it will be flow back into the registration process again when needed. From the registration process, workers' service details will flow into the key-in workers profiling for workers to create their work profile for the customers to see. Then, all the workers' service details will go into the workers' profile data store and the schedule details will flow into the key-in schedule process. All the workers' service details, including the schedule details, will be transferred to the display advertisement so that the workers can show themselves and their availability to the customers. Whereas, the customer search queries from the registration process will go to displaying advertisement process so that the customer can see all the workers that was advertised or available on the app. Then the customer will make their own choice, which then data or customer ordering details will go to the payment process. Go to the payment process for the payment to be made. The ordering details will also flow into the key-in schedule so that the system automatically updates availability of the workers in the schedule. During the payment process, the payment information will be given to the staff and stored into the payment information data store. The staff will also receive some commission fee. Next, the workers will receive data of the service order and the payment amount paid by the customer. Last but not least, the customer will receive the service type that they ordered. Next off, this is the level 1 data flow diagram for the service ordering system, which provides a more detailed background of the system process. For the key in category, in this process, the user inputs information and selects a category. This data is forwarded to the subsequent process, which is for signing up. Here, the system processes the user information for account creation. The resulting user data will store in the user's data store, which is labeled as D1. When logging in, this process allows the user to log in using the stored data from D1, and after logging in, the system enables the customer search queries for customers to look for services and worker service details for workers to access the relevant tasks or data. This data flow is seamless between the processes and the data store, ensuring a smooth transition from signing up to logging in and service search or access. On to the prototype demo. So we have constructed a non-functional prototype of our platform that we are building. In this presentation, we would like to focus on one of the crucial processes in this prototype, which is when the customer goes searching for the suitable workers. One of the features is the search bar, where the customer can search for a specific worker, especially when they've worked with them before or through recommendation of a friend or family member. Besides that, you could also put in dates you need the services to filter out the workers that are unavailable. Apart from that, there's also a feature to filter out workers by their price range, ratings, and gender, so you could pick up workers based on your specific preferences. Adding on, there will be a list of workers that will be sorted by their ratings, price for the services, and their availability. Lastly, workers that are unavailable will be grayed out and put at the bottom of the list, so the customers does not make a mistake in choosing a worker that have a job that clashes with the chosen date. To end off, we will be describing the data store that is crucial in working in tandem with the process that we've presented earlier. So, the data store is the customer choice. In our data dictionary, it has the ID G3 and functions to track the customer's preferences for service workers and service dates. There are 3 data store elements in the customer choice, which is the service type, the worker name, and the date. The service type functions to specify the services that the customer needs. For the worker's name, it functions to indicate the workers chosen by the customer. And lastly, the date's purpose is to specify the date on which the customer requires the service. So, in conclusion, that's all for our presentation from Group 2, and I would like to thank all my members from my group for all their hard work contributing on their part of the group project. Thank you all for watching this presentation all the way through, and goodbye from Group 22. Thank you.